After watching this video, you'll never buy microwave popcorn again, because all you really need to make microwave popcorn are kernels and a brown paper bag. It doesn't get any more natural than that. I don't know if you've read the label on the back of a microwave popcorn package, but it's not that pretty. And we're all trying to be a little bit healthier these days. So watch this. 1/4 cup of kernels into a brown paper bag. Flatten it, fold it shut, and you'll pop it in the microwave with the bottom side up. Here we go. 2.5 minutes, it will be perfect. Keep your eye on it because everybody's microwave is different, but whenever you stop hearing it pop, it's ready. Popping, just like the real thing. Looks like microwave popcorn. Let's see what's inside. Look at that. Perfectly popped popcorn. 2.5 minutes, 1 ingredient. Popcorn. I'm telling you, it's better than microwave popcorn. You can eat it just like this, but for a little more flavor, just simply salt it. That's it. You can do the butter, but then, you know, that's on you. But you gotta admit, that's pretty amazing. I mean, perfectly popped popcorn. It's crunchy, it's fluffy. I'm gonna take it one step further and show you the perfect way to turn this into your kid's new favorite after-school snack. A little salt mixed with a little honey. If you've not tried honey on popcorn, I'm telling you, just a little bit. I mean, it's probably not even a teaspoon. So you're not giving them sugar overload. Shake it up. It's the perfect salty sweet snack, and it will keep your kids full, and you can feel good about it. So there's your popcorn hack for the day. So you can take your old bags of microwave popcorn and just pop them in the trash. When I unveil the bag, I'm gonna cheat some of this popcorn in there so it, you know, looks more full.